Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, do your own personal practice before you go fully into it. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we are right here. Like I said earlier on, these are the assets we will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, quickly let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. Right from this support zone, it started a buy trend, got to this region, pulled back and went back up till it got to this region. Okay, it has not been able to break out from this particular resistance zone, so since it's unable to break out from there, it's most likely it goes back into a full downtrend right from there. So we should be expecting more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it breaks out above that resistance zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. Boom 500 came down right from this resistance zone and of course played around there for a while before breaking out above the resistance zone. Just like you guys have known, once it is ranging like this, we only wait for the breakout. Okay, once it breaks out, then we will be able to say the direction of the market. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, and this time around it broke out above the resistance zone and kept on buying. Okay, so this means that it's going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity at that particular point, and it got to this particular resistance zone and was unable to break out above the resistance zone. So right from there it started a downtrend from there. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, most especially once it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, it is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 actually went on uptrend but got to this resistance, was unable to break out from there, so it pulled back. It will be trying it out again, and if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will go back on that trade. But for now it is still buying. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so we should take note of that also. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. So this is crash 500. Crash 500 had been on a very long uptrend, even though it played around there for a while, but it has got into this resistance zone and it has not been able to break out above it. So if it's unable to break out above it, it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying until it is unable to break out above it. Okay, so this is still buying. It might not be for a very long time, and of course you should take note of that. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so the last asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been on a very strong downtrend. You can see it selling and selling, got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there. It pulled back a bit and might be trying it out again. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back into a buy trend. Okay, so we should wait for that. Okay, but for now it is still selling. Okay, this might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a buy trend, most especially if it is unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so this is very important. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategy, apply them carefully whenever you are trading, and of course don't forget to subscribe to this channel right away. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.